Hello everyone, I'm Chef Kingsley. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a very delicious granola bowl with Greenfields fresh milk plain yogurt and as well as ricotta cheese. So this dish is good for you as a healthy breakfast, start of day, or you can actually make it into a dessert. We have this granola bowl and then we're going to place some of our berries. You can put as many as you like, depending on your own preference. We have some cut strawberries. How much berries would you like to put is entirely up to you. And then next, we're gonna add in our yogurt. Greenfields, their rich taste, plain stirred yogurt will all make these ingredients blend very well. And then next, add in cheese. Greenfields Ricotta Cheese is made from Greenfields fresh wheat, cream, and milk. It makes this dish creamier and tastier than just using only fresh milks. Then after that, we will pour in our milk. And then I'm going to garnish it with some mint leaf. And there you have it. We have this nice granola bowl with our Greenfields fresh milk, plain yogurt, and ricotta cheese. Enjoy.